All right, Dad, some little something for you right there.
What in the world is this?
Check that out. Woo! Good morning, guys. It's Jeff Jenkins here from Modern Muscle 213, and today is a very, very big day. Running a little bit late, but it's okay. After all, I do drive a Dodge Challenger, and I kind of hear that they're a little bit fast. Wait, what the hell is this? My car. It's not parked in 2 spaces. What is going on? All right, guys, inside the Dodge Challenger. Let's start her up. Oh, California, what the hell is going on? Thought it was supposed to be sunny all the time. They lied. This part of the freeway is always packed because nobody knows what they're gonna do. They're all just kind of lost. And like this guy right here. Look at this. Doesn't know what's going on. Everyone's just a mess. Always remember to put sport mode on, guys. And when it's raining a little bit, everyone wants to drive really, really slow. It's like, dude, fuck it. America! Roll race. Yes, I know it's only a 5.7. I don't care. It's pretty fast. Now you guys saw the TA race. They can smoke something, okay? Maybe sometime this year, I'll be picking up a car, except it'll be for me. Oh! And who says Challengers can't do turns? That was quick. Look at all this open road right here. I think you know what I need to do. Oh, God, America! We are just waiting for my dad. He is fixing some stuff, doing some things like that. Oh, we're in here. I'm actually in this Audi, the TTS edition, okay? I really do like the interiors of Audis. Now, that's one thing I like about them. Obviously, it's like a luxury car. Pretty ballin', out of control. But I really love this steering wheel out here. I mean, Jesus. Things in here, nice, really positioned, everything's really nice. It looks really good, really sporty, yet it's still kind of luxury. Yes, chronic, automatic. Display here, I guess. Some of these have the pop out, but this one doesn't. It's just a regular display. They have these things right here. Pretty cool. Pop them out. I want some extra thing. Now, I don't know what these really are for. When I have it here, I guess it's for... Oh, I guess I see. Yeah, okay, I see what they're saying here. I guess it's really for sport, I guess. Which have these little stitches here, too. It's pretty legit. Now, I don't know if anyone's going to be able to sit back there. But I think everyone knows that. When I get this car, probably not. That's just because it's one of these weird little TT things. But I like it. I like the interior. Legit. All right, guys, we're in this A7 now. I think this thing has a screen. Ooh, there we go. This one, yeah, the interior is not as nice. I don't like this steering wheel. Maybe this is an older version or something. Maybe it's a different model of it. Everyone loves this car. This is definitely, I guess, you know, one of the more expensive ones. Yeah, the interior I'm not that big of a fan of. This one right here, it's kind of boring, to tell you the truth. It's actually terrible. You have the thing here, so I don't know. Maybe this is just a basic model. Maybe it's not the deluxe edition, but nonetheless, it's okay. What do you guys think of the merch? I like the merch. That's one thing Dodge needs to do. You need to have more merch, like a clothing line here. It's actually kind of nice. The heck? Under Armour? Whoa. I like it. The heck is this? See, this is something, when you go to these, you know, luxury car companies, they definitely have a lot more options. You can really personalize your car, right? Dodge, you need to step up your merch. Brilliant. All right, Dad, some little something for you right there. What is this? Check that out. GoPro.
Oh,
Is it the
okay.
new GoPro?
Yeah,
Like the new one?
it's in the 6.
Oh my goodness. So how was it out there? Did you get to see some of the newer cars, their
Yep, I did.
things and stuff like that?
Yep. Yeah. Big empty road over there. Yeah, so I was thinking me and Dad are gonna have a street race.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. You think about that, Dad?
I don't think about it.
No.
Oh, come on, Dad. Give it some juice.
Yeah, this thing actually has a lot of horsepower. It's 350, right?
333.
333. Okay.
What is yours at?
375.
Oh boy.
Powerful.
A lot of different features. Yeah. So you got this. This interior is not. It's not standard. This is like the top of the top interior, right? Or the top of the top everything inside, at least, right?
But this is the Prestige package. It comes in 3 trims: Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige.
Okay.
Prestige has a lot more features than the other ones do. In addition to the Prestige, this has what's called Driver's Assist package.
Mm-hmm.
It has a cold weather package.
Mm-hmm.
It has a tow package, 21-inch wheel package.
Okay. How do you like it? Any sports features or anything in this thing? It's a Quattro. Does that make it faster?
4-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive. Okay,
Take
gotcha.
everybody.
Shopping for a car, you're shopping for this one, and then you're looking at some other ones, right?
I wanted to get a SUV,
Mm-hmm.
but I do want a good amount of space in the back, so I wanted a 3-row
Mm-hmm.
SUV, 7-passenger, but I don't necessarily need more passengers. I just wanted enough room to be able to move things back and forth.
Nice. All right, you want to see how fast it goes?
No.
Yeah.
You need to take it out on the freeway then.
Yeah.
You got your radar gun days, Jeffrey? Your radar detector?
Not on me.
I know, but I mean, you have one?
Yeah, I got one.
This view here, you can see this, you can change it to
Ah.
do lots of different things.
I like that whole setup they have right there. Beautiful screen there. Done away with the, I guess the dials.
Yeah.
Looks good. I like that a lot.
Hi.
Yeah.
So I have video of you guys putting donuts. Why are you doing that?
The video of the donuts, we're taking pictures right there.
Why are you taking pictures in the dark?
Oh wait, we've been here since 4.